All right, welcome back to CfTesla. Today, the question we are answering is how do I modify my Tesla purchase, my Tesla order, after I've already placed the order, after I've already got that confirmation. So first of all, why would you do something like this? Let's say that you bought the Model Y and you originally bought the maybe short range, just rear-wheel drive model, but you're like, well, you know what? After thinking about it, I'd rather have the all-wheel drive long-range model. How do I go in and do that without canceling the order or replacing the order? Which a lot of people have told me they've done, and you don't have to do that. So that's one way. Or maybe you said, I want to get the tow hitch, but I didn't put it on. Or maybe you're thinking, I don't want the full-size drive package now. I'll, do the subscription, and then later you're like, you know what? I'd rather just finance it into the loan and be done with it. Well, here's how you do this. First thing you're gonna do is come in here to tesla.com. From here, you're gonna go up to the top right corner where it says account, and you're gonna click on it and log in. Once you're inside, you're gonna see a picture and a display of all the different vehicles that you have purchased. You can see here for me, I have my Model 3, the Model Y, and the Cybertruck. Now, I haven't really talked about on the channel that I did buy the Model Y. I did purchase it last week, which we're pretty excited about. Maybe, I'm not 100% sure if now is the time I'm gonna actually get it, but it might be. So I put the order in. I'm still trying to decide on a few things there. And then of course the Cybertruck, which we're waiting on. So let's say that it is this Model Y now, and I'm like, well, I wanna make some changes to it. Well, all I gotta do is come in here to where it says manage. You're gonna click on it. Then you're gonna see a picture of the car that you're gonna be purchasing. You scroll down, and right here amongst these where it says need to make changes, there's like this just little description right here. You're gonna click edit design. That's gonna then take you back to a spot like you were originally making the purchase. It's gonna look just the same. The difference is though, let's say that I wanted to change the paint color, change it from solid black to blue. I click on it, make the change I wanted, which, hey, if it was my car I was buying and not this for my wife, it would be blue because I love my blue Model 3. But anyway, I would also make this a white interior, blue with white interior like I have now. I'd make this so much better. Let's say I'm gonna add the full self-drive, so I'm gonna add that on there. So now I've made all the changes that I want. Well, all I have to do is come down here to the bottom. It's gonna tell me my estimated delivery, January. I'm gonna review changes. It's gonna tell me my new price, and then all I have to do is hit update design, and it's gonna update that design to my new changes. And you can go back in and do this as many times as you want, all the way up until you sign for the car, essentially. So I hope that helps. If this did help, please hit that like button for me, and also subscribe to the channel for a lot more stuff coming up. We are doing some pretty neat installs coming soon, more steering wheel stuff, which are gonna be very interesting. If you wanna support the channel, definitely go down below the description and check out all my Let It Drive merch. It's super cool and supports the channel. It supports the Let It Drive movement, basically saying we're in favor of autopilot, let's make this happen. If you have any questions, even simple ones, and you want it to be addressed here on the channel, make a video like this, put it down below in the comments, and if it's good enough, we'll make a video on it. See you on the next one.